Which type of electromagnetic wave has the shortest wavelength? Gamma rays. Option number D is correct. Electromagnetic has the shortest wavelength of gamma rays. Which of the following is an example of a vector quantity? Displacement. Displacement is an example of a vector quantity. Option number D is correct. The another question is, what is the unit of frequency? Hertz. Hertz, Hertz is the unit of frequency. Option number A is correct. What does a transformer do? Change the voltage of an AC supply. Option number B is correct. What is the SI unit of power? Watt. What is the SI unit of power? Option number A is correct. Which of the following material is a good conductor of electricity? Copper. Copper is a good conductor material of electricity. Which law describes the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance? Ohm law. Ohm law relationship between. Huh. Which phenomena describe the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another? Refraction. Which principle explain why a ship floats? Option number B is correct. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? Temperature. Temperature is a scalar quantity. What is the first law of thermodynamics? Energy cannot be created or destroyed. What is the principle behind hydraulic system? Pascal principle. Option number B is correct. Which property of light allows it bend around corners? Diffraction. Option number C is correct. Which element is most abundant in the earth crust? Oxygen. Option number A is correct. Option number A is correct. What does E is equal to mc square represent? Einstein theory of relativity. What does the area under a velocity time graph represent? Displacement. Option number B is correct. What is the primary component of natural gas? Methane. Option number D is correct. What type of wave is a sound wave? Longitudinal wave. Option number B is correct. What is Ohm law? V is equal to IR. Option number A is correct. Which quantity is conserved in an elastic collision? Momentum only, kinetic energy, both momentum and kinetic. What is the unit of electric current? Ampere. Option number C is correct. What is the main cause of Earth magnetic field? Electric current in the outer core. Which phenomena explain why the sky appears blue? Scattering. Option number C is correct. Which particle has no electric charge? Neutron. Neutron has no electric charge. What is the formula for kinetic energy? Option number C is correct. Which law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction? Newton third law. For every action is opposite reaction. What is the unit of force in the international system unit? Newton. Option number B is correct. What is the acceleration due to gravity on Earth? 9.8 meters second square. Option number A is correct.